Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pivot table from pivot table. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So to create pivot table, simply select the data. You just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. Second way, simply select the inside the cell, and you can use here the shortcut key Control A to select the full data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, have a Pivot Table option. Just click on this drop-down arrow and click on the From Table or Range option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, the Pivot Table, From Table or Range. Then here automatically selected, then choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. So select the new worksheet and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the new worksheet is added with the pivot table fields and pivot table analyze tab also added, design tab also added. So here I'm going to create the pivot table. To add the fields below areas, so you just drag your fields and drop here. And the second way, you just click on these fields and it's automatically added. To remove this, just click on this arrow and click on the remove fields. Okay, so I just drag the total amount in values, and in filter, I add here the date, customer name, and that's it. My pivot table is ready. So here I'm going to create pivot table from pivot table. So I'm going to create the one more pivot table from this pivot table. So simply select the first pivot table full with the filters. So I just select with the drag with the mouse. And the second way, you can select just inside the cell and go to the pivot table analysis, and in actions group have a select option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the entire pivot table. So here you can see the entire pivot table is selected. Then use the Control C to copy this pivot table. Then I add here the new sheet. Just click on this plus sign. Then here just paste your pivot table. Okay, that's it. Here you can see the fields also showing with the pivot table analysis and design tab. Okay, now you just add the new fields and remove these existing fields also and create the different way the pivot table. So I remove these customers and here I add in column the customer. Okay, you can create here the second pivot table. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.